Here's a 2015 Kia Optima. Even from the outside, you can tell this Optima is exhilarating. It's quiet, spacious, and amenity-rich, and provides the perfect environment for driving pleasure. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather bucket seats, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Cars.com finds with its crease sheet metal and low-slung shape, there's a luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. Take it for a test drive today.